Today, I'll show you how to reset your T-Mobile router. Resetting your router can be a straightforward solution to fix connection problems or temporary network issues, and it's a useful skill to have in your tech toolkit. Whether you're experiencing slow speeds or intermittent connectivity, starting with a simple reset might save you a call to tech support. If you're looking for a quick restart without wiping out your Wi-Fi settings, the process is quite simple. Begin by unplugging the power cord from your router. It's important to note that this step doesn't require any technical know-how, just a gentle pull to disconnect the power source. Once you've done that, wait patiently for about 30 to 60 seconds. This pause is crucial as it allows the router's internal memory to clear, effectively giving it a fresh start when you reconnect it. After you've waited, plug the power cord back into the router. Next, give it some time, around 2 to 5 minutes, to fully reboot and reconnect to the network. During this time, you might notice the lights on your router flickering or changing colors. This is completely normal and indicates that the router is going through its startup process. Once the lights on your router stabilize and your internet connection returns, you're all set. Your router reset is complete, and you should notice an improvement in your network's performance. This simple restart can often resolve issues without making any changes to your existing settings, which is why it's a great first step whenever you encounter connectivity problems. However, if you find that problems persist even after a quick restart, you might need to perform a full factory reset. This step is a bit more drastic, as it will restore your router to its default settings, effectively wiping any customized configurations you've set up, such as Wi-Fi names or passwords. To do this, locate the reset button on your device. It's usually a small, recessed button that requires a pin or a paperclip to press. Hold it down for about 10 seconds and then release it. Your router will begin the reset process, and after a few minutes, it will be restored to its original factory settings. And that's how you reset a T-Mobile router. Whether you're doing a quick restart or a full factory reset, these steps should help you get back to enjoying a smoother internet experience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tech tutorials for more tips and tricks.